Oh, boys, why does this camera annoy me so much? Hey, Stan? Yes, it was recording when Daddy left. And then all of a sudden it goes into settings. What's going on here? But you don't know. But you don't know, Stan. Hey? You just don't know. Where's the other boys? Hey? Here's our Stevie. There's our Stevie. Where's our Fritzy? There's our Fritzy. Hey, Fritzy. Here's our Fritzy. Be careful of Ned Kelly there, Fritzy. He'll get you, boys. Ned Kelly will get you, boys. Not Ned Kelly, Dad. We've heard all about him, mate. Hey, boys. We have, Dad. We've heard all about Ned. Hey, who's going to be the first one down? Is that going to be you, Fritzy? Are you going to be first one down? What, Daddy's got the back door open? What, there's lots of smells coming through on the wind. What, and you want your own car? What, your own getaway car, Stan? What, and you'll have one too, will you, Fritzy? Hey, Fritzy. I mean, Stan, you're really enjoying the sniffs of the air, mate. Hey, what's all the smells going on? There goes our Fritzy. Hey? What you're going to be next, are you, Stan? Okay. You're using the ladder today, are you, Fritz? Hey, Stan? But you're just going to go down the normal way, hey? What, no, you'll use the ladder too, will you, Stan? Hey? What, Stevie's still up on top of the fridge? Okay, I better get your food ready. You better, Dad.